Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by powering off both devices and clearing a small, well-lit workspace. Remove any bands, then loosen the back screws carefully to expose the internals. Once done, peel back the adhesive just enough to lift the display. Use a spudger at low angle to avoid kinking display cables. Make sure to photograph cable layout now so reassembly matches factory routing. This avoids confusion later and preserves water resistance during the final reseal. With the watch open, disconnect the battery connector first to eliminate power flow. Then gently lift the display ribbon connectors using a plastic pry tool. Metal tools can shear delicate traces. Once disconnected, remove the old display and carefully transplant any adhesive-backed sensors, microphone, speaker mesh, and Taptic assemblies to the replacement. Keep screws organized by length and location. Make sure connectors seat flush and aligned before applying pressure, because misalignment can cause malfunction or no-touch response. After seating the new display, apply fresh adhesive and torque screws evenly to avoid warping the case. Power on to confirm touch responsiveness, haptics, microphone, and sensors function. Run a simple heart rate or app test. If the screen is dim, flickers, or doesn't respond, power down and reopen to reseat connectors and inspect for debris. Once done, try a force restart to resolve firmware handshake issues. If problems persist, consider swapping the original display back to narrow down hardware versus connection faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.